Hey, so last video we made something pretty good, so this video we need to make something bad to balance it out. And this also plays into the last video, maybe you find out you don't really like this person, so you need an evacuation plan, something to abort mission, get rid of this person. I don't know. Maybe she's the type of person who goes to Walmart and all she gets is a bottle of wine and a bag of cat litter. Or maybe you find out you're dating a guy and, he's got a foot fetish. So, gotta get rid of those. We're making garlic ice cream, and I'm gonna start out with a whole head of garlic because I really want to feel the bad decisions in the back of my throat. I'm also going to be making a black garlic ice cream because it's something I've always really wanted to try and thought it would be a good video to put it in. So I think Noma also has like a black garlic ice cream that they put on their menu every once in a while, but it's gonna be an adventure. So we're starting out with the garlic. Just gonna smash it apart, and that will make everything separatable. And then if you've ever worked in like a restaurant and you've had to peel tons and tons of garlic, you might know you can put them in 2 steel bowls and then give them a good shake. And then peel from the back end of the garlic, and that will make the garlic a lot easier to peel. And now that the garlic is peeled, I'm gonna give them a quick rough chop. You don't really need to be super careful about it. It's just because I'm going to immersion blend this later. And it's gonna all become one homogeneous garlic, milky, sugary mess. All right, and that seems pretty good to me. Just gonna throw it back into one of the bowls. I'm going to start on our ice cream base, so I'm going to take half a cup of cream. Where the hell is the half cup? Oh, there it is. And a whole cup of milk. And that's going to go into a saucepan while we prep our eggs. We're going to separate out 3 yolks. Maybe throw them into a bigger bowl, and then add 1/3 cup of sugar. And we're also going to add our garlic into our milk just to start steeping. Came up to a boil, so I'm just gonna give it a good immersion blend, try and get it all homogenized before tempering into my yolks. That goes on to a double boiler, and I'll use just a rubber spatula to scrape the edges until it starts to thicken. Our beautiful ice cream base is now finished. For the black garlic ice cream base, I did pretty much the same thing, except for I did 7 cloves of black garlic and I let it steep for longer. And it kind of ended up having this mocha, sludgy sewer water look to it. But once they were both finished, I just iced them both down until they were as cold as possible before freezing. The next day, I creamed them both up in my ice cream maker, and I was so excited to try them. The excitement, it's brimming. You know those old Harry Potter jelly beans? I figure you could probably play a game like that with these, because it just looks like vanilla ice cream, just looks like mocha or chocolate ice cream, but I think that would be kind of fun. All right, let's get a little... Oh, I need a rag. Do a good old... my quenel's not the best, but that's okay. So excited. I really wanted to hate this, but I don't. I think it would be good if you added like some mustard or some Parmesan or anchovies or something like that, and used it as a base for like a dressing for bitter greens like radicchio, or we used to do a chicory salad that I used at a place I used to work at. I think it would be pretty good with that, but it's just kind of sweet cream garlic. It's a little weird to be eating on its own, but not bad. Okay, let's move on to the black garlic. Smells good. Now that it's frozen, I'm not picking up as much on like the garlicky sense of the black garlic. That's not bad. It's a little bit grainy. I think I should have strained it. But it's kind of close and in flavor to chocolate ice cream with like a little hint of something weird. But I think that would actually slap with some venison or something like that. Use it as, you know, like a sweet cream as a side for a venison steak or venison stew or something like that. Yeah, pretty good. I'm scooping a couple of bowls just for the thumbnail, and I'm thinking now how I might have kind of tainted my ice cream canisters for life